So here's another example of getting a mass properties of a given part in SolidWorks. So I have here one drawing wherein we can use or apply one features of SolidWorks, which is fillet and chamfer. Okay, fillet and chamfer. We can use this one to reduce the material that we have on your screen, and we will get the mass properties of this given part after applying a fillet and chamfer in a certain corner of this part. So let's start with applying a fillet on this corner here, on this corner here, the other side here, the other side. So you can rotate your object using your mouse wheel button. Okay, your mouse wheel button. So for example, you want to get a fillet here also. So once you are done, you can apply the fillet radius on this property manager. So under the property manager, you can change the radius into 2.5, for example, 2.5. Press enter on the keyboard. Select this green check mark. So observe what will happen to the object. So it is filleted. So if you don't want to apply some fillet on this hole, it's okay. If you want to reduce the material and make it filleted, you can select this and include on the selection. So another option is the chamfer option. So select this chamfer here. So we can select the edge of a given drawing. So for example, on this side, so I can select the sides that I want to apply a chamfer. So if you have a mistake, so just select here, then delete the face. So I want only the corner here, corner here. So I can rotate and check on the other side. Apply the chamfer here on this corner here, down, including this hole. Okay, so you're done selecting the corner and the edges. So here on the properties manager, you have the chamfer parameters here. So this one, this angle, this is the angle of the chamfered side, which is 45 degrees. So if you say 2 by 45 or 10 by 45 or 5 by 45 degrees, it means this is the distance of the material removed. So for example, 2 by 45. So select this here, 2. Or let's say, so let's accept 2 units. So 2 by 45. Then select this green check mark. So as you can see here, it is already chamfered. So that is the difference between chamfer and fillet. So the fillet, it makes the edges round. Okay, it is rounded. But here it is just removing the sharp edges, giving an angle. So this is chamfer and this is fillet. So if we can apply a material on it, so just right click, edit material, select the material that you want, ASI 1020, apply, close. You can evaluate this one. What is the mass of a given properties upon removing those material? So here, so I have 1179.386. This in 3 decimal places. I can change it into 2 decimal places by selecting in options, use custom settings, reduce it into 2 decimal, apply OK, and then that's it. So the answer is 1179.39. Upon removing some of the parts or edges, removing the edges, refining the edges using fillet and chamfer command. Okay. So remember the mass properties of a given part, it depends on how you apply the chamfer on each corner. So as you can see here, I didn't apply some chamfer on some of the edges. So apply only fillet and chamfer whenever you need it.